Hey yo, what's going on, everybody? Good evening. Welcome to Train G's with G here on YouTube. This your boy G. I've been out of it for the past 3 weeks. Last week I had the flu, caught the bird flu right after the Eagles won the Super Bowl. Ain't that a B? But I'm back. My voice is still recovering. My body feels good. With all that being said, I appreciate everybody returning. I'm at about 74 subscribers. Please like, share, subscribe, put this video out there. This one's going to be on Walmart. A lot of people don't realize that Walmart is one of the biggest companies in the world. According to companiesmarketcap.com, it's number 13. Just a few weeks ago, it was in the top 10. Yesterday, on the 20th, Thursday the 20th, Walmart released their earnings. They hit on their earnings and revenue as usual. It was a fourth quarter fiscal earnings from the end 2024. They did great. But its project growth will slow in the current fiscal year, according to the CFO, John David Rainey. He also saying that they will not be immune from looming tariffs on Mexico and Canada. So, as you know, Donald Trump is rumored to put a 25% tariff on both countries, Mexico and Canada, and a 10% tariff on China. So, this is the reason why the market was tanking today. I'm going to go over the chart in a second. Walmart saw strong gains in its e-commerce business and membership programs. Well, obviously, every time we go to Walmart, we see all these numbers, all these custom parking spaces. We do not care. I don't. I still park in those numbers if I'm going to be in and out. And obviously, that's how people pick up their e-commerce, aka the online orders, and the membership programs. They're just doing too much, in my opinion. Like, the self checkout was supposed to be self checkout. They got a whole Uber Lyft one. They just have too much going on. Too many self checkout categories. Too many custom parking spaces for online customers. I don't know. It's just a trip to me. So on Thursday, Walmart fell more than 6%. Why? Because their earnings hit, and as I just announced, they believe that their profit growth is going to slow down this next upcoming fiscal year. This is a good article. This is by CNBC. I'm just going to scroll on down. Earnings per share, 66 cents adjusted versus 64 cents expected. So I told you to hit on the earnings. If you want me to make a video on the financials of Walmart, leave that in the comment section. That's revenue. They were I believe they hit on this too. $180 billion and a half dollars. They're expected to have $180 billion. So they killed it and knocked out the ballpark. Their same in-store sales went up 4%. Obviously, right here in 2021, they were hitting the most because it was COVID. The world was shut down, but they thought they were going to die. You keep moving down. The e-commerce sales obviously was hitting 2021. It went up 20% in the last quarter. You got to think, man, a lot of people are fed up with the tariff rumors. A lot of people are broke. They're cutting back since they were Christmas shopping a few months ago. Maybe things will pick up in this first quarter, heading into the second quarter because it's tax season. So we will see. Out here in California, last month, a lot of people lost their homes. A lot of people lost their cars. Unfortunately, people lost their lives. I think a lot of people are in survival mode more than ever out here. Nobody really cares about going into the store and grocery shopping when people are on the phone with their fraudulent fire insurance and homeowners insurance companies that ran off like some suckers, some buster cowards on them last month. They've been running away for several months. So a lot of people aren't really coming into the stores like that. The new wave is e-commerce. Everything is online. And Walmart also has to compete with Target. They have to compete with Walgreens. Oh, I'm sorry, they own Walgreens. They have to compete with Target. They have to compete with Costco. They have to compete with Amazon. So they have a lot of rivals. So on with the chart, I'm going to go to the extended hours chart, just the 1 hour chart, show y'all what's been going on. So the earnings came out yesterday at around like 3 in the morning, super early, pre-market. Orange is the pre-market, blue is after hours. So in the pre-market, it tanked $7, went down over 7%. And ever since then, it's been kind of consolidating between like $9 and 97. Then today, pre-market, it went down another couple bucks. I got in late to the party. I was making other trades. What I'm doing now these days, the last couple weeks, I decided I'm gonna start swing trading. Why? Because I'm down about 700, and what I see right here is a super long bearish type of pattern that's been forming. Really, this has been connected since August of last year, but if you trace back, this is when this 3-for-1 stock split happened. It's been almost a year. On January 26th last year, that's coming up next week. So it's been climbing for quite some time now. For like over a year, it's been this super long uptrend. And wow, I'll tell you, I really think this is going to bust through here. I jumped in a little early because it's Friday. With that being said, let me make a disclaimer. Listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Be your own designated driver. Do your own due diligence. Do not believe everything I say 100%. Just know I have your best interest and I always keep it 100. So with that being said, normally when you take a position to trade out of a flag or a pending pattern, you want to hit it as soon as it goes across this line. But like I said, I'm taking the gamble. My contract doesn't end till June. Me being down so bad, to be honest, I'm just probably just getting the scalp swing trade. That makes sense. So like on Monday, if it goes anywhere down here or something, I'm out of here. You know, like I'm not really gonna play it too long. I'm just trying to get my account back. But let me break down the candlesticks. So just last week on the 18th or on the 14th, Valentine's Day, had an all-time high 105.30. And earnings came out, as I said, Thursday morning, and it's been tanking ever since. These are two red candlesticks, and this is a downtrend. You know what I mean? On the RSI, clearly seen going down. Of course, nothing's guaranteed. It's probability. You really have to be smart out here. You really have to be strategic when you day or swing trade. And yeah, they went down 6.5% yesterday, 2.5% more today. I'm hoping on Monday that this breaks through and just keeps going down. I believe in due time, Walmart will go up. Obviously, like this company's not going anywhere. It's just going through a drought. Right here is the Dow Jones ETF today. And that the whole market went down because of these tariff rumors. So many people are scared. And what people don't realize, when anything is tanking like this is the best time to buy. Of course, that's not financial advice, but you're supposed to buy low and sell high. But instead, as human beings, we buy high and sell low. And this is what we're witnessing with the entire market. You see the whole day, the whole Dow is down badly. Every single like major stock on my watch list is tanking. I'm just trying to show y'all something, man. You really have to play it smart. You have to play it safe when you trade. So if this busts out of this play right here, oh my goodness, it'll be like the first time in months that it's even been on a downtrend. So this is the weekly chart right here. I previously had the daily chart. You see this big red Mariboshu? If this doesn't tell you that this thing has a great chance of coming down, I don't know what is. I might have got blessed one time because I don't see a big red candlestick. And last time something this big happened was in 2023, November 23, and it wasn't even a huge candlestick. It went down $3 that week. And if you look at this one, fast forward to today, this is down $9 in a week. So I think this is gonna tumble on down. You could probably get to low as $90. I'll be in the money because this is a out of the money put option that I did. And let me go to monthly. I just want to show y'all how long this stock has been around. Long before I was born. Shoot, I'm old, but not that old. So this Walmart company has been public since 1972, man. And look how long it was basically at like less than a cent. And then you fast forward, it's just been climbing and climbing and climbing ever since. This is just an example of what happens when you get in early, when you show up early to the party, you invest, you have faith, and you believe. And now look at this right here. This is the same monthly chart. Look what's going on so far in February. A huge inverted hammer when it hit the all-time high this month as of last week. So that's another signal that this stock is most likely going to come on down and break out of this bearish flag pattern that's been really an uptrend for like over a year now. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm still recovering from my flu last week as far as my voice goes. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. People need to know this. Like I said, it's the weekly chart. It looks like it's coming down. Big Mariboshu daily chart. Like, I don't know what else I need to say besides just really just read up on Walmart if you're interested in trading or investing in this company. Until next time, this is your boy, Trading G's with G. I'm out.